Hi friends, welcome back. So today we are making smothered cubed steak. I'm adding kosher salt to it. It gets rid of most of the bacteria and germs that are on it. I always like to rinse with hot water to dissolve the salt and to wash away the blood. Now that it's cleaned, I've already added ground cumin, Cajun seasoning salt, and garlic. Now I'm just spreading the flour like so. So here I'm going to do the same thing to this side with a little bit of black pepper. So I've added just a little bit of olive oil to the pan on medium high. And we're going to let these fry for about 4 minutes on each side. So while that's cooking, I'm going to cut up a few onions to add to the pot. And that's going to give it that nice down-home savory flavor I'm looking for. I ended up adding a few more. I like a little bit more onions. So this is organic vegetable broth, but any brand would do. So here it's been about 4 minutes already, so I'm going to go ahead and flip it and let it cook another 4 minutes. What this does is tenderize the meat. So all the meat is done, and now I've added it to the pot. My husband just walked in with his background noise. So I've just added 2 tablespoons of flour with half a cup of water. I'm stirring it up. This is going to be my thickening agent to add to the broth. It's going to make a delicious gravy. Okay, I've also added about 2 more cups of water just to cover the meat up so it won't dry out so quick. So we are going to let this bake at 350 for about 3 hours. So here's the final results. I wish you could smell this. It smells so good. And I know it's going to taste delicious. It is so tender. Okay, guys, I hope you like my video. Don't forget to hit the notification button and subscribe.